Hello and welcome to a new episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be replicating one of John and Jory's first experiments, soy sauce. And here's Jennie the microwave. If I could give her gifts, I would. Opening her up. Sticking the soy sauce in. And due to the nature of this experiment, it's not going to be a long one. Okay, let's examine and see what we've done. We have made a mess. Even though it was fun to watch for the few seconds that it was flying around like the chestnuts were supposed to do, it's going to be a pain to clean up, so because of that I declare this a bad idea.